Going to go to that, and I'm going to introduce Leanne. Leanne Raaff has been part of the COSCHEM Education Committee since 2008. She is the lecturer for the second-year Cosmetic Science Diploma students in product evaluation. Ms. Raaff holds a Cosmetic Science Diploma from COSCHEM and has completed certificates in Quality Assurance Management, Business Management, and Basics of Project Management with UNISA. She also has her GCP certificates renewed every second year. Currently, she is busy with the DGK Safety Assessors online course. She's also employed at the Photobiology Laboratory at Mathco Health Sciences University. And she has over 20 years experience in safety and efficacy testing of cosmetic products. She has trained with and works with Professor Beverly Summers, who knows the capital of South Africa much better than me. But without further ado, okay, Leanne, let's get up your slides and you can take it away.
Thank you, Perry. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody, for your time. So I'm going to have a run through with you on product evaluation, and it's quite an important topic. As you know, when we're developing products, why we want to do testing and why you want to evaluate your product. So I'm going to go through my presentation with you and enjoy it. And please pop your questions in the chat box, and we will attend to your questions afterwards, and Perry will monitor that for us. Okay, so let's go. So I'm just going to run through with you on the purpose of evaluation. There's all the types of evaluation that you find, fields of application, specialized categories for your test methods, guidelines for conducting product testing and evaluation, the pitfalls of product evaluation, and then my conclusion. So, all right. So what is the definition of a product evaluation? So it's the assessment of one or more attributes or characteristics or the qualities of your product that you've developed. And product evaluation has become very complex in today because of the global community, and where product evaluation is defined by ever-changing legislation, and obviously all your new products and new ingredients and raw materials that you are popping into your product. It's changing every day. Product evaluation for everybody, it's obviously when you speak to somebody about product evaluation, it means something different for every group that you're talking to. So for your consumer, it will mean cruelty to animals or humans. To your microbiologist, it will mean challenge testing. To your quality assurance department, it means physical attributes such as your pH, your viscosity, and your activity levels. To the formulating chemist, it means stability testing, efficacy and safety. And to the marketing department, it means a competitive advantage and beautiful claims. Okay, so what is the purpose of product evaluation? So when you start with your product evaluation, it's obviously when you're doing a new product, or you're developing a new product, when you are resourcing or for your raw materials. It's for quality control, it's for claim support, and for competitive assessment. You've got two types of evaluation. You've got objective evaluation and subjective evaluation. Obviously, objective evaluation includes your instrumental and your sensory methods. So in vivo is live with humans, and in vitro is obviously it's mechanical with equipment. And then subjective evaluation will be via your sensory methods, which is also in vivo. And then, okay, so objective evaluation, what is it? It's obviously controlled procedures. It's trained personnel. You are using instrumental or sensory methods with your volunteers. It's direct, reproducible, and quantifiable results with your study. You are including in vitro analysis or in vivo methods. And this type of evaluation measures the efficacy or the properties of your test product. What is subjective evaluation? That's also controlled procedures. You've got it's supervised by trained personnel that are working with the volunteers. Sensory methods, which is only your touch, your sight, your smell, and your taste. The preference of untrained volunteers is measured. In other words, you have volunteers that are in the study that are not trained, or your trained volunteers, and your group size is between 50 to 200. Your results differ from your volunteers to volunteers. There's a sophisticated statistical method to evaluate the results, and it measures the consumer's appeal and preferences, and it doesn't always assess product characteristics on subjective evaluation. So